Oh yeah, hello again. Well, here we are, back at the painting. The red face. Oh, I don't have my fleece on today now. It's really quite warm. It looks like it might rain and it's quite windy, but it's really quite warm today. And so, I've just got a t-shirt on. I liked the black fleece coming in there. Someone spoke about me not using my 2-inch brush. Now I don't have the 2-inch brush in my hand, but I've got the 1.5-inch brush. I think actually it is maybe the thing that's needed here to shake it up a little bit. I started to feel like a little bit, there's something, yes, something unappealing in it or something like that. And not so much that, but just I needed to shake it up. Basically, that's it. I wanted to kind of stir the pot a bit. So maybe big gestures is the thing. It's interesting what the water does on the Yupo paper. Sometimes it makes the colour go upwards. We've got the little fly chorus happening again. I forget what colour I'm meant to be using this week. What colour this week is dedicated to. But this portrait started on the bread week, so I don't feel I have to change that. I need to put it flat on the ground now for a while. And just leave it like that for and maybe leave it like that until tomorrow. I just felt like I wanted to free up a little bit, do something general. So there we have it. And nice to see you. All the best. See you tomorrow. Bye.